Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix static yellow light issue in your Paytm SoundBox. So friends, if you are having this Paytm SoundBox, you can see here are four lights over here. You can see if it is showing you blue color, it's sometimes a network issue or there is not a strong networks. So if somebody is giving you payments, it might be late. So you can see in the mobile application also it is showing here strong network. Now here it is full strong network is showing. If it is not showing, so then you have to see at this here it is showing sim card over here. So you have to first remove it and then you have to insert it back into this sound box. Then their second step is there is a power button. You have to just long press this power button at least 3 seconds. After that it will show you yellow light and then blue light. It means your sound box network strength is now stronger now, and it gives you strong networks now. So this is how you can fix it. And if it is not fixing, here it is the contact number. Here it is for 24 into 7 supports is there. So you can call this number, and if you are getting any problem in that, you can just call it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.